Here we will explain a little about the heart behind the operation. Harutz is a man with great ability and a big heart. There are so many things he could have done in life, but he and his son Kepha really wanted to do something that would include their families and help them stay together. Now that the spirit of our Father is involved, the seed that was in their heart can bear fruit. The families of Israel can now participate in this operation, and it's a wonderful place for fathers to have quality time with their sons. This is one of the blessings of this endeavor.